Hello and welcome to another Take 5 with Tara. I'm your host, Tara Schenkel from Stewart Technologies, and today we're going to be focused on number 3 in our series of using Sage distribution and manufacturing operations to streamline order fulfillment. On our last show, we covered how to create a sales order quote right from the dashboard and then convert it over to an order. So for today, we're going to discuss actually how to create a purchase order directly from a sales order. So if you follow me along, I'm actually going to head, you'll see me noticing my menu here. I'm going to go over to sales order. And I'm going to be looking up sales order SO240018 is my order for Levine Furniture. And on our last series, we covered how to create the sales order. So now I'm actually going to do a purchase order from it. We see this quite a bit in distribution companies where the particular item is either going to be drop shipped or it's potentially going to be ordered and then shipped out to the customer. And so once I'm inside the sales order, you're going to see I'm going to click on the three ellipses here. And one of my choices is create a purchase order. And note, this is great if I have one off items I need to do. I want to control where I'm ordering it from. So you'll see right away Acme Distribution pops up. It allows me to, that's my site. It does allow me to change my supplier. So in this case, Acme Distribution comes from the site that I'm ordering from the sales order. So this is the location. The supplier it gets from the item maintenance. So in this case, Quality Furniture Office or Office Furniture is my default supplier here. The purchase quantity is 10 and it does know my price already. You'll see that down here, my gross price. And so then I can actually do the order date, expected receipt date. So in this case, my receipt date, I'm going to push out actually to November 4th. My order date I'm going to have is today. And if I hit projected stock, what I love about this feature is it kind of shows me for as of November 1st, what do I have that's required, expected, available, my reorder point, and my safety level. So right now I've only got 3 of this share in stock. So I may decide actually to order more than just the 10 that are suggested here. The 10 is because of what's on the sales order itself. So I might come up here and say, I actually want to order 25. And so now when I hit create, all right, and let's see if it created it. It should have. And you'll see it did actually create my purchase order. Notice it's got my 51 series chair, it's got my 25. And so when you're dealing with purchase orders does have workflow enabled. So workflow means that when I create a new PO, it automatically will store it in a draft mode. Draft means that I've submitted the purchase order, but it has yet to be approved. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to actually submit this for approval. Now, when you do approvals, you can either type in the email address or you can select your approver. So I'm just going to go ahead and pick myself here and I'm going to hit send. And what's happening behind the scenes is it's actually sending the approver an email to let them know that it's pending approval. Now, because I am an approved approver, I can actually hit the approve. And now this has actually approved my purchase order. So at this point, I can actually go ahead and print my purchase order out. And so you'll see with SDMO as the PO is coming up here, I do have the ability to print it. I can add annotations if needed. And this form can be customized. So if you wanted to add your own logo or additional information, these PO forms can be customized. I also have the ability to email them as well as record history and add attachments. So, and now at this point, I've actually created my PO and I'm ready to create my receipt. So next time on Take 5 with Tara, we're going to actually go through how to receive in a purchase order into inventory and how to allocate it onto a sales order. Thank you for your time today and have a great day.